Well, hello. Hey, this is Monday, and Monday we are going to catch up on work that has not been done. So I want to show you real close, and I know many of you have your work caught up, and good for you. I am so glad. I just want to show you what we have here. This is just last week's work. So here we have um, this assignment. 55 have turned it in. 55 is 55 people still have not done it. Okay, so this assignment here, for instance. So if you're in your workshop, you're at home distance, or if you're in your workshop, you need to get that work turned in. Okay, all right. Also, I am going to go back to that classroom, and I'm going to show you where we have some other assignments here that need to be caught up. So when you're in whether you're with me during the day tomorrow or during workshop, or if you're home, we need to get these cleaned up. So that was condensation. Here is another one. This is the evaporation. It says take your time to answer these questions. So here's the test that was on this past Friday. So this one needs to be done. Notice 62 have not finished it. You need to get these worked on. Okay? If you're in workshop, your workshop teacher will be asking you to get these done. Next one is this one. Here we have 47 turned in, 63 have not turned it in. If you were with me and you turned in your diagram, if you turned in this diagram, make sure you go and click turn in. If you did not turn it in, do not do that. Make sure you get it done. So you need to turn in for this, okay? So I don't want to show you who turned it in, things or not, but these need to be all cleaned up before we move into distance learning the following week. I want to clean up all of these assignments, okay? If you have questions, ask, but these need to be cleaned up. This test right here, this was on Friday, okay? So, and I'm going to put it right there. You will know that that's what it is. If there's any question, ask, but you walk into either Mr. Stark's room or Mr. Kaditz's room, get these cleaned up one at a time. I want to give both Mr. Stark and Mr. Kaditz somehow a list of people who have not finished these, and you'll have time to work on them. Okay? All right. If you have finished them, great. You can work on some other homework, anything else that you need to catch up on in other classes. We will make sure that we check those things, okay? This is for you, and we want to do this before distance starts on the 23rd. All right. We'll see everyone this week. Bye-bye.